Okay, so in this video, what we're going to do is get rid of this glitching. So you can see our camera is the default camera for our character, which is causing some glitching. We're going to go ahead and take care of that right now. So what we're going to do is start right in the header file. And to begin with, we're going to make a couple of U properties. We're going to make it visible anywhere. It's going to be read-only. We're going to show it in the camera category. And it's important to note the allow private access must be true. So it's going to be a class of the USpring ARM component. We're going to call it camera boom. And we're just going to copy this and paste it right on in. And what this one's going to be is the follow cam. So this is going to be a class UCamera component. And again, we're just going to call this the follow cam. All right, so just so we can make sure everything works, we'll compile and debug this. Okay, so now we can come back in, and what we're going to do is head over to the CPP and now create the components and attach them to our character. So essentially, we're going to take these two properties and now do something with them. And what we're going to do is go ahead and add the code in here and basically just comment it. We're going to attach the third person camera to our character. Starting with the camera boom, it's going to equal create default sub object, and we're going to create a USpring ARM component. And we're going to go ahead and call this camera boom. All right, so now we need to apply some properties to our camera boom, starting with setting it to the root of our character. So set attachment root component. Copy and paste because there's going to be a few of them. This one here is going to be the get target rotation. Actually, this is not supposed to be get target rotation. We'll have to go back and fix that. And now we're going to go ahead and there it is. Set our pawn control rotation to true. Now, those are the settings for our camera boom. Like I said, we're going to go back and fix the get target rotation. Little shortcut there to change all those. All you had to do is hit Alt. All right, change a couple of things. Instead of a spring arm, we're doing a camera component. Instead of the setup attachment to the root component, we're going to change it to set it up to the camera boom. And when you're setting it up to the camera boom, you've got to specify that you're attaching it to the spring arm component and socket name. And that'll set that up correctly. We don't need this line, but we do need this one, except for instead, yeah, let's go ahead and fix that so we don't forget about it. It's actually the target arm length that we need to adjust. And right here, we're going to set this one to false. Compile and save, make sure everything goes good. All right, so we got an error. Doesn't look like anything severe, so let's take a look. Mm, no, let's just close it. Okay, so let's take a look. Camera boom, camera, there it is. It's supposed to be follow camera. And let's compile that. Looking good. All right, perfect. So with that being said, we have our camera and spring arm all created theoretically. So we're gonna go ahead and open up the editor. And there it is. Take a look in here so we can see what it looks like. You can see there's the camera boom. We can adjust it and it moves the camera because the camera is attached to the boom. Compile, save, and let's go ahead and check it out. There it is. No more funny glitching. All right. Well, thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.